Hey guys, in this video we are going to see what is yo-yo test and how it works. Moving on to the topic, first we should know the history of yo-yo test. Let us begin with this. Yo-yo tests were first proposed by the soccer physiologist Jens Banksbo in the 1990s. The yo-yo intermittent and recovery test were based on the more aerobic endurance, that is a beep test, with the addition of an active recovery period of 5 to 10 seconds after each 40-meter run, and with the faster running speeds so that there is a greater stress on the aerobic energy system. The name yo-yo is obvious, with the participants required to run like an yo-yo back and forth between markers at a given speed. Banksbo first presented the yo-yo test in 1994. With his colleagues, Banksbo investigated the validity and reliability of the test, publishing the result in 2003. Since then, the tests have quickly become a common test of the ability to repeatedly perform high-intensity exercise for team sports players. Banksbo has worked predominantly with the sport of football, that is soccer. The yo-yo test was initially popular in that sport and gradually come in favor for testing the other sport which are similarly intermittent in nature, and its use is not limited to just intermittent type sport. Let us list some significant milestones of yo-yo test. In 1994, Banksbo first published information about the yo-yo test. In 2003, first scientist research paper published. In 2005, a CD version of the test was first published, available to purchase on banksbosports.com. The Spark testing protocols for soccer included the yo-yo test. In 2017, Australian football included the 20-meter shuttle run test in their national combined testing protocols until 2017, when they replaced it with the yo-yo test IR1, that is yo-yo test intermittent recovery 1. In 2017, the yo-yo test was first introduced into the Indian cricket team by the strength and conditioning coach Shankar Basu in 2017, and it is now a requirement of international players to reach a certain level in the test before they can be selected, and also for many players in the IPL. In 2018, Singapore's domestic professional football league replaced the player mandatory testing of 2.4 km run with a yo-yo intermittent recovery test in 2018. The yo-yo test will be conducted 3 times a year: the pre-season, mid-season and at the end of the season. Generally, yo-yo test is a test for player stamina and endurance level. Now let's see how it works. A yo-yo test involves a player shuttling between two cones that are set 20 meters apart. After the first beep, he starts running towards the second cone and should reach the second cone before the second beep, and then returns to the starting point, the first cone, before the third beep. This is one shuttle. Speed level 5, the starting level, has one shuttle, and speed level 9, the next one has one, and the next speed level 11 has 2, and the level 12 has 3, and 13 has 4. From level 14, each level has 8 shuttles, level 23 being the highest speed level. A player gets 10 seconds between each shuttle for recovery. Player fails to reach a cone at any point, he gets a first warning. 3 warnings indicate the end of a test. As a player moves up the level, the time available to complete each shuttle diminishes, which means he needs to run quicker to reach the next cone before the beep. Fitness is important, but I feel giving too much importance to this level of fitness would miss out some great players. And focusing on just stamina and not reflexes is bad for cricket. Stamina should be given some weightage, but not as a qualifying or deciding factor. Now, I'll give 8 simple tips to improve your yo-yo test score. The first one is improve your level of fitness. Second is perform a warm-up. Third is turn efficiently, because a wide U-turn can affect your yo-yo test score. Then fourth one is prepare your body properly. And then fifth is mentally toughen yourself up. And then sixth one is pace yourself and play your own game. Seventh one is perform the test in favorable conditions. Last but not the least, the eighth one is ignore the boosters. If you like the video, like karo, share karo and subscribe karo. Thanks for watching.